Hey everyone, hope everyone out there is having a awesome and a wonderful day. Today I wanted to give a update on a channel that we have actually been building, and within a very short amount of time this channel has been getting a crazy amount of views. And to be honest, this is the first time that we actually have started a shorts based channel, and with the trend and everything we actually been capitalizing on, and we're getting a lot of momentum on this particular channel. And we also be able to monetize in few other different ways, because a lot of brands are also reaching out to us to be able to promote their brands through our channel, which is awesome as well. So it's just not one income stream we are going to be building on this particular channel, but two or three different income streams that we also be connecting in this particular channel, right? Which is awesome. And for any of you who actually want to get into shorts channel but you don't know which niche to choose, how to actually find the right team and where to hire the team from, make sure to stay all the way till the end, because I'll give you a lot of golden nuggets we can actually take and also implement, so you can start getting success with YouTube automation business model. By the way, my name is Sanjeev, and on this channel I talk everything got to do with starting your own YouTube automation channel and also affiliate marketing. And if I go to my channel, I've actually done a lot of training tutorial videos on this particular business model. So if you're looking someone who's actually looking into affiliate marketing, this is the training you're going to be watching: 10 25 less into six-figure business step by step. All right, so this is day 1 2 3 4 5, and I also give a lot of bonus training inside that as well, right? So it's completely free for you guys who is actually looking into starting a affiliate marketing business, or if you are someone who's actually just interested into starting a faceless channel and earning through AdSense, right? This is the training you're going to be watching. So step-by-step training to six figures with YouTube channels, right? So this is literally a $10,000 training, because all the knowledge I've actually gained and all the mentoring and coaching that I've actually got to be able to put this training together. So this is well over $10,000. You can watch everything in here absolutely for free, right? So let's not waste any of your time. I want to share with you the channel that we actually been building. So if you haven't watched the updated version, this is the video that you're gonna be watching, and in here you can see on this channel we hit a lot of numbers, right? $1,000 I think, which was like 2 days ago, but we started getting more momentum. So this is recent results. As you can see, 18.8 million views. You can see the watch hours, the subscribers, and this channel has already got a million subscribers already, right? So it's also growing, and you can see the revenue on this, right? So pretty much 1123.44, and with consistent uploads and also gaining momentum with the trends as well, because this is an evergreen niche. All right, evergreen together with the trend based. Okay, so it's always, the trend is always happening in this particular niche which we have actually gotten into. That's what actually allowing us to get a lot of views and also make a lot of revenues at the same time, right? So if you are someone who's actually looking into starting a shorts based channel, shorts based channel is pretty much a channel where you're going to be creating content and pretty much monetizing through YouTube AdSense, right? And pretty much getting a lot of views. But the thing in the short space, you have to realize the video has to be engaging. If you create just a video that doesn't have that great of a hook, no one will stay till the end, right? Because people are actually in a scrolling mode and pretty much they're just swiping, right? So if your video is not that catchy, people will just get out of the video and they probably go and watch someone else's video, right? So your video, the first, I'd say maybe 5 to 10 seconds, has to be really engaging, and then continue with the story as well. The another thing that's really important in the shorts based niche and also channels is you need to have a good storytelling, right? So people can wait and watch your whole entire video for probably like 59 seconds, 50 seconds. So that way people can still stick throughout your video, and once YouTube will actually get the signal, they will push your channel more and more to the broader audience. That's how you're gonna get massive amount of success with your YouTube Shorts channel. Okay, so that's a key ingredient and formula that I actually give: choosing the right niche, and also your video has to be very, very engaging, and storytelling has to be included in the shorts based channel as well. Super important. And you don't need to worry about thumbnail because we don't put thumbnails, but make sure the screenshot that you take, it actually goes well with the hook and the beginning of that shorts that you're building for your particular audience as well, right? So these are very, very critical things that you have to do for you to get results with your shorts based channel. But if you are looking to start a channel which is already making money, which is already got a team set up, and which is already in the YouTube algorithm as well, get in touch with me, because this channel that I actually shared, we're gonna be selling this particular channel, and it's good for someone who's actually getting into this business space, who's looking into just getting started and start making money from day one, because you don't have to wait. The channel is already set up, the channel is already automated, so you can just take it and start creating content, which I'm going to be sharing with you what I do to actually grow this channel. And next 1 or 2 months, like next month and week after, month after, we're going to be doubling or even tripling our income, or even quadrupling our income on this particular channel, because the competition is, there's like not much competition in this niche, and pretty much people are actually craving for this particular kind of content, right? So if you are someone who's looking to get a already monetized channel, which has already got a team set up, and which is already making money, it's already in the YouTube algorithm as well, and it's blowing up in real time, I'll leave a link in the description for my Facebook profile. You can actually connect with me and we can have a chat, and then we can go from there, talking about everything, how the channel works, and this is something you're actually looking to getting into, right? So again, thank you so much, and if you have any question, you can just put in the comment section below, and I'm looking forward to speaking to you guys soon.